Hello, everybody. It is Jen. We are continuing on this hanging theme. So, if you didn't check out the video that I posted last week, it was about various ways you can make the sense of hanging feel easier. So, I encourage you to watch that first. After you've watched that and after you've implemented some of those things, let's talk about a really simple exercise, which is pulling the knees in towards the chest while you're hanging. So I'm going to take all of those things that I thought about last time. I worked on my thumb and my pinky finger wrapping in. I might feel my pinky toes reaching long. And I'm going to start to imagine that my pelvic floor is moving up. As I do that, I'm going to bring my knees up. So pelvic floor moves up, knees move up. And what I mean by the pelvic floor moving up is I'm literally imagining that the bowl of the pelvic floor is going, and you can either do this before you bring your knees up or as you bring your knees up. Play with both and see which version works best for you. I personally like to think about it before I pull my knees up, and I find that I pull myself right up. Now, I can add in the strength from the arms a little bit if I really imagine that I am using the pinky finger and the thumb sides of the hands to wrap and pull into the bar. It's going to get activation through my arms and my shoulders. Now, if I want to add a little more of like a lever position to it, if I imagine that I'm pushing the bar down towards the floor as I do this, my body's going to tip. I don't have a ton of space here, but I'll give you a general sense of what that looks like. So if I'm here, I've got my pelvic floor moving up, and then you can see that my head would start to tip back as I throw the bar down towards the ground. Give these things a try, see how they go. And as always, if you found this content useful, please, please, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.